Hey, welcome to day 4 of the 31-day challenge. Today I'll be building a fixture for my jigsaw. I'm going to start the same way I did with the nail gun. I'm going to lay it out and cut a piece for the base. This is going to be a piece that's 5 inches by 10 inches. I'm going to drill a 1/2 inch hole for the actual blade. So here I'm measuring. I'm going to cut some pieces of plywood about 3/4 of an inch to make a ledge. Now I do have to apologize, the only scrap wood I had was actually scrap, so it's not really the best for this project. I'm going to put all of the dimensions, so if you want to build this, I'm sure it'll look a lot better, and I may go back down the road and again, these brad nails are just to hold it together until the glue dries. This Titebond 3 is very strong, so I'm not worried about it falling apart. So with the base put together, I'm gonna just make a smaller box underneath to hold additional bits and support. I really love putting these kind of fixtures together using this Craig pocket jig. A little bit of glue, one Craig screw, and it should be good to go. Here is the bottom of the shelf where I can put additional bits. Not going to be much weight on here, so just a couple of nails will hold it in place. The last thing to do is put the French cleat on the back so I can position it anywhere on my French cleat system. And there it is. Right now I could store a battery in there. Came out pretty well. Thanks for watching. I'll have another video post up here tomorrow. Feel free to subscribe. You know, I'm trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber base, so every subscription helps. Thanks, and good luck with your projects.